So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Mastercard stock, ticker symbol MA in Canada here on Questrade. So once Questrade is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left or the top right and either press on the search icon or the buy/sell icon. As I mentioned before, either type in Mastercard just like this, and ticker symbol MA will come up, or as I mentioned before, you can just type in MA and the ticker symbol will stay the exact same. So once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Now once you hear, you can either press on share quantity or dollar amount and type in your order. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on next, and then proceed to follow the steps. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Mastercard stock, ticker symbol MA in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.